Good morning to everyone. As I told you, I'm Mr. Johnny. I'm super glad to see you through here, through the screen, at least to know that you are alive. Thanks God for giving us this opportunity, this new day to begin this Thursday. Well, this is the date, this reading class. And remember, we are the difference with Jesus. Okay, guys, as you can see through the screen, the topic or the skill, the new skill is understanding cause and effect relationships. This is an important and interesting topic because it's pretty easy, by the way. It's pretty easy, you will see. All right, let's continue. Before getting started, I would like to mention some of the vocabulary words that you probably saw in the reading. The first one is random. But in this case, I will need your help to match this. Please help me match this. You can write me through the chat and give me the possible options. What do you think? Random is smart, it's casual, or it could be unpredictable or unexpected. What do you guys think? Let me see. Unpredictable, Abigail says, okay. Ximena, good morning. Unexpected, okay. Melissa, I think she thinks it's the last one. Exactly, guys. Nicole, thank you. Unpredictable or random is unpredictable. Okay, let me match this just to get the answer. Why? Because as you know, I could give you an example. For instance, if I say, you have to take a random way. So I don't have the exact idea where I'm going through, but it's unpredictable, unexpected as well. So yes, random is like that. You don't know where actually, in that case, where actually are you going to walk? Okay, thank you guys. Just let me erase this. Okay, and I'm just looking at the rest. Okay, Sebastian, good morning. Cool. Right now we are talking about the vocabulary words. Okay, precise. The pronunciation is precise. Precise, what do you guys think is this word? What does precise mean? Help me, please. I want to see if you have studied the reading. Okay, Melissa says it's exact, it's accurate. Accurate, exactly, Michelle. Yes, exactly. Thank you, guys. Andrea, yes. Abigail, exactly. It's like you said. Precise is something exact. Or when you say something that is, you need to say, for example, you are sure that you are going to develop, you are going to do, you are going to perform, and you are very 100% sure. So this is the idea of this. Okay. Just let me tell you, you are allowed to activate your microphone because of the later on, I'm going to need your help as well. So in that case, I just give you the option to activate your phone, your microphone. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, let me see. Just let me mute a little bit. Okay. And remember this. The other word, think about this. What do you think is this? This is a tricky word. That's why I did it with purpose. Let me see if you can get it. Think about drill. It's a verb and noun as well. What do you guys think this word can be? Think about. Think about, and let me see your options, your words. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm checking. It's practice. Michelle, Melissa, she says the first one. Carlos Navas, a tool, yes. It is a tool as well. Two boreholes, yes. Actually, it's the instrument, or yeah, it's a tool that carpenters, a lot of people who, or builders, are used to taking when they are working. Yes, but by the way, let me see. This can be drill. Not also is the tool or ball holes. So it could be as well as a practice and as a training exercise. I looked it up on internet and I was surprised because drill can be as well training exercise. For example, some soldiers in the morning, they spend their time drill. So when you say that, according to Army vocabulary, they are talking about that they are doing exercise. They are working out, they are training exercise, and you can use it as well. But in this case, according to the context for the unit or the lesson, we are talking about the tool to bore holes, in simple words, okay? Just to get idea. Okay. And don't worry because I have not selected all the words just to know if you have studied. Okay, data. In this case, what do you guys think is data? Information, statistics, piece of ground, or connection? Let me know your answer through the chat, please. Information, Melissa, thank you. Okay, yes, most of you are right. Exactly, it's information. Or statistics. According to this lesson, we are talking about, yes, thank you, Ada, Sebastian. Yes, you are right, guys. Thank you a lot. Data is talking about information or statistics in this unit, right? Because it could be, it can have more meanings, but the most likely is information and statistics. Okay, let's move on. Track, this is the last one, I guess. Track, this is easy. This is a piece of cake for you guys. Track is a part of recording song, or it could be footprints. This is actually a tricky word as well. What do you guys think? The first one, Melissa says, is the first one. It's music, Sebastian, okay, footprints. You know, footprints is when you are, for example, you are a detective and you are trying to get the thief. And that's why you use his tracks, or you track him, in other words. But actually, this word means both of them. So in simple words, it means part of recorded song or as well footprints. You can use as both of them. Because remember, we are used to listening this word. Okay, listen to the track 48, for example. Okay, and you are ready to listen. But in this case, it could be, it means that you are tracking the footprints of someone else. Okay? So just interesting information, and let's continue. Now, guys, so remember this. Some of you, I asked you during the week or last week and the previous week as well, that you need to send me this part. Please don't forget this part, because this is a part that you need to complete, please, and tell the rest of your classmates, because it's important. In some cases, you need to read this part, and others, they are not necessary. You have to take a random answers as well. All right. So this is just a reminder, and Let's continue with this. Okay, now please, I need you to open the reading comprehension, exactly page 68. Okay, on page 68, let me see. Ah, Moses, is page 68 right now. We are in page 68. Here is. I'm going to highlight this. We are here, page 68. Okay, what do you guys think is the best answer? For example, choose the best answer for each question. What is the reading mainly about? Please, what do you guys think? I'm reading your answers. Please, let me know. Let me see. Letter C, okay, most of you say yes, it's letter C, guys. Wonderful job. In this case, they are talking about efforts to predict when an earthquake will happen. Okay, so for this case, I need someone to explain to the rest what is an earthquake in your own words, please. You can speak. You can activate your microphone as well. Let me see if you get this idea. What is an earthquake? Because the unit, this lesson is talking about earthquakes. Someone who is volunteer? Who can be a volunteer? Who can speak, guys, please? What is an earthquake? Okay, some people are writing me through the chat. Yes, it's a natural disaster. Yes, good. It's when Earth moves back and forward. Yes, as well. And in my experience, when I was a child, I experienced the first earthquake with my cousin. So it was very, very terrible because that one was my first experience. And well, most of you, I think, don't remember what is an earthquake, a real earthquake. But okay, guys, thank you so much. Let's continue with the other one, second one. Which of the following is closest in meaning to the reading's first sentence, beginning never before have? What do you guys think? It's letter A, B, C, or D? We are talking about number 2. Okay. Let me check the chat. Earthquake, okay, good. So number 2 is, yes, it's letter D, D. No, guys, it's letter D in that case. Number 2, more people have ever lived in cities that are affected by earthquakes. It's closest because in this case, it's talking about the closest in meaning. We're talking about reading comprehension, remember. Okay, good. So yes, that's why it is letter D. Good. So now, number 3, in line 61. So this is exact, it's accurate. Accurate. In line 61, what does do this refer to? A, B, C, or D? Okay, some people say, some of you say, is B or C? Number 3 is letter B. Yes, it's letter B. Studied fault. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, I hope you are taking notes, remember, because we need to move on. Wonderful, guys. Okay, always in the page 68, number 4, question number 4, in line 68, the word reviewed could be replaced with recorded, deleted, saw, studied. What's the most appropriate? Okay, I'm checking right now. D, Sure? Yes, wonderful, guys. You are very precise. Okay, yes, it's letter D. Number 4 is letter D as well. Let me sign it, okay? It's letter D. And 5, which of the following statements is not true? A, B, C, or D? In this case, be careful, it's not true. It refers something that is not true. Okay? It's letter D. Some of you say it's letter D. Yes, you are right. It's letter D because it's not something true. It's not true in simple words. It's letter D. Number 5. It's talking about Parkfield. It's one of the scientists or researchers. Okay, now, yes, it's the scientist. Okay, according to number 6, according to Parkfield scientists, how did cracks in the fault change before an earthquake hit? This is reading comprehension. You can find that answer in between line 82 and 83. The number 6. Let me see the chat. Okay. Yes, Abigail, yes, you're right. It's letter C, Sebastian as well. Yes, you're right, guys. Number 6 is letter C. They became slightly wider. Okay, now, okay, Moses says, okay, let me see. Now, Chinu, this is the last one for reading comprehension, 68. What is the main idea of the last paragraph? Here we have the exact, oh yes, this the exact line, line 90. What do you guys think? Is A, B, C, or D? Moses is saying that, if I'm not wrong, is A. He says it's A. Yes, Moses, thank you. Yes, Abigail, exactly, is letter A, this one, just in case, it's letter A. Further research will help us avoid loss of life in the future. Because this is the idea of this lesson. They want to predict when these earthquakes are going to happen. So they want to be precise with this. Yes, thank you guys. Okay, wonderful. Let's continue with this. Let me delete this. Okay, we are ready. Now, I just want to take a few minutes or few seconds to speak about the new skill, which is understanding cause and effect relationships. This is pretty easy, as I told you at the beginning of the class. Why? Actually, because it gives us ideas about what the skill is about, or how the skill really is. For instance, when writers explain a process, this is important because you remember, we are talking about cause and effect. So it could be like the cause and the consequence or consequences, right? You have the idea. So it depends how people are describing what is going to happen or how happened. So in this reading, most likely, or most of you have found these words caused, as a result, as consequence, or yes, as consequence, or because, explanation, and connectors, right? So therefore, they are part of connectors. And these people, or this writer, has spoken about how something has happened. In this case, they took time talking about the earthquakes. So when you are talking about cause and effect, you need to be very sure and giving more examples for the audience. And you need to use these words, cause, as a result. For example, when I was in London, we took a lot of works there. As a result, I got tired. So it's a consequence, right? You are explaining more and more and giving, if it is possible, you are giving more details about what happened. Okay, so this is pretty easy. I know you can get it. Okay, this is just part of the skill. Let me move on. Now, remember, this is homework. I'm going to give you this time just to complete this when finishing the class, okay? When we finish the class, because this takes a lot of time in this application for through Zoom, okay? But we don't have much time. Okay, okay, I'm looking at some of you. Pamela Driotes, good morning. Sara Maravilla, good morning. Thank you, girls, for being here. Okay, okay, Melissa, wait for me. Let me see the other one. Okay, we're talking about right now the last part, vocabulary practice, page 67. I'm sorry, page 70. I was looking at another number. Page 70. We are here. Page 70. Okay, so here, this is the vocabulary that we saw at the beginning. Well, most of them, and you need to use here. Okay, someone can help me, please. Scientists, what is the appropriate or suitable word for this one? Okay, Sara Maravilla, she says is drill. Okay, yes, you are right. Congratulations, is drill, sorry, is drill. We don't have letters here. Okay, just let me throw it, erase this. Number one is drill, okay? Is drill. Number two, right, guys. One reason earthquakes are so hard to predict is that they don't seem to follow any regular pattern. What do you guys think? It could be the most appropriate. We are talking about vocabulary practice. Okay. Okay. The last page, no, Melissa, in this case, because it takes a lot of time, the previous page, that's why I didn't take time with that page, okay? Okay, some people say, yes, it's schedule. Number two is schedule. Why? Because it's easy to recognize that they are, in this case, they are selecting one reason and they want to predict. So and that's why they need to schedule. Most appropriate. Okay, and we have two in this one. The first one is schedule, and the other one, let me see the chat. It's random. Yes, it's random. Wonderful, Melissa. Abigail, thank you. Sarah too, as well. Okay. Andrea, yes, it's random. Remember, random is something unpredictable, something unexpected as well. So it could be here, number two. The random is part of number two as well. Okay, number three. I'm giving you time. I know probably some of you already answered this. Okay. Yes, it's track. Number three is track. The first one. Here, I'm just going to take the initial words, track, and the other one, massive. Yes, it's massive. Massive is literal. It talks about the same as Spanish, right? That causes, it could be a massive destruction. So, continuation is massive. Good, and the last one. I'm checking, I'm reading your answers, okay? Thong, yes. Exactly, it's the last one, is thong. In this case, number 4. Okay, in the last part of this, we almost finished. Let me erase this before continuing. Part B, completion. Complete the information with words from the box. One word is extra, so one is left. Will be left, okay? Okay, you are a fast learner. Good, I like that. It's data, yes. If they are talking about, hey, be careful with this. You are right, no problem, but why is data? Because they are collecting information. Remember, data is information as well. Number 2, we are okay. Okay, from experiments in what? What is the most appropriate or the best word? Laboratory? Yes, guys, you're right. It's laboratory. Number 2, I'm just going to write the initial words. Sorry for the letter, but it's difficult to write here. Okay, it's laboratory. 3, thank you, Demian. Is number 1 is data and number 2 laboratory. Okay, data, yes, is detect. Let me see. Yes, exactly. In that case, they use that word, detect. Detect is literal as in Spanish. So I'm just going to put here, just in case, okay? And the last one, big earthquakes about 3 hours before they happen. Some scientists are confident that with the help of dogs, hey, this is interesting. One day more, what happened? Let's see. Precise. Okay, wonderful. By the way, what we talked at the beginning of the class, precise is. What is precise? Someone can explain to me, please? You can activate your microphone or you can write through the chat. Let me see if you are paying attention, okay? I'm just checking out. Precise, exactly. Is exact or accurate. Something that you are sure. Yes, exactly. And the last one is precise. I'm just writing the initial words. Okay, guys, let me see if we have more. Let me see if you have any answer. If you still have questions and answers as well, let me know, please. Any question about vocabulary? If not, we are ready to finish this class, but I'm just going to be sure you have understood everything, okay? And please, for the ones who just log in, remember to send me that before you read part or before you read section, throw the weekly homework because I'm checking that part as well. Okay, thank you. And let me know if you have questions, please. Through the chat. Any questions so far? I know reading is something easy and sometimes it's confusing, but you need to be precise. and something what is going to do. What happened with page 69? Okay, good question. What I told you with page 69, before the time, I'm not going to take a lot of time with that page. Okay, let me read it. Are going to, yes, you have to send me the pictures as well as every subject. What you are used to sending pictures about the reading, about the homework for every subject. Remember, this is mandatory because if not, I wouldn't be able to give you the grade. Okay. Okay. Yes. With page 69, what I want you to do is complete as well. Well, we can work that part, but the idea is that you pay or you put into practice the skill. Okay. That is the reason. No, you don't have to copy the page by yourselves. No, no, no. Just complete. Just complete the lines that require that you need to write in the book. Simple as that. Okay, let me go back to that page just to help you. Okay, I'm here. You're talking about this one, page 69. Okay, in this case, you have to avoid some things. For example, in these ideas or these answers, you can select the most suitable. But at the end of this part, at the bottom of this page, you will find some opening questions. So, and that's why I need you to send me those answers, okay? I'm just asking you that. Simple as that. I don't know if you get me. Yes? Did you understand me, what I'm saying? What I want you to do with that part, with this page 69? If not, we can sum it up, okay? So as a conclusion, guys, let me tell you, thank you for being here in this class. Well, I expected to see more of these skills, but actually this is one of the easiest one. Why? Because as I told you, it doesn't require more explanation because it's easy to recognize when people are using this skill just to show a cause or an effect. So it's pretty easy. And I hope you have understood everything. Thank you for your attention. And I just want to tell you, have a blessed day. Thank you for being here, guys. Okay. And don't forget to take your breakfast to recover your energies. Okay, guys, it's time to say goodbye. And I just want to look at the screen. God bless you guys. I miss you all. I hope you are having fun. And don't stay up at night. You know what I mean, right? Don't spend much time chatting because if not, you wouldn't have energy to next time. Okay, guys. God bless you. See you around and take care. God bless you all. Bye, guys. See you around. Thank you, guys. God bless you.